Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can stop the functioning of caption on your videos, because many times what happen, due to the caption the important part of your videos get hidden by it and it is not transparent, due to which the viewer miss the important part of your videos and it make the viewer irritates. So in this video I will show you how you can stop the functioning of caption on your videos. So for that you have to go to your YouTube channel, then click on the profile icon, and in the profile icon go to your settings, and in the setting you will find the option called caption. Go in that, and here you can stop your show caption. Here I have already stopped it. If you want to on it, then the caption will show on your videos, and if you stop it then caption will not show on your videos. If you want to make some changes in the style and the size of the caption, you can make that also. So in this way you can stop the functioning of caption on your videos. Hope this video will be helpful for you. In the next video I will show you how you can make the caption transparent, so there is no need of closing the caption and it will not irritate the viewers. So till then, take care.